server different categories of badges.
Another rainy day. So this is a sample lab. I usually use this about a couple times a month. I don't use it every day. I see how my stroke is going for that day when I'm not putting well. Click the button to turn it on. First, let's calibrate it. So I'm gonna put it right by this thing right here, and that is square to the target. The letter V for countdown calibration. I'm gonna hold this right here. Now we're all calibrated. Put it back that way. Now we can just start putting. So there are a couple of things that I look at my face at impact. So it looks like my face is open around a degree, but I'm very consistent at that. And usually I kind of like it a little open because my swing arc coming back down is closed, 5.6. Kind of don't mind that. As long as I'm very consistent about it, that's what matters. I don't really like it if I'm open and closed. Face at aim, I'm very lined up, and I think that might be because there are lines on the mat, so I don't really pay attention to the face at aim because it's kind of like it's cheating. So overall, looks pretty consistent. Face rotation, 89%. Consistency, 87%. The top view of my putting stroke, so I'm slightly down the line, a little inside, and just a slight arc. Very slight arc. So this is kind of going in a little bit too much. This is face at impact. Probably work on consistency a little bit more. Rise angle going upwards a little bit. Predicted launch 0.1 down. Okay, so I kind of want it to be a little bit up. Yeah, so that's basically what the Sam Putt Lab measures. I only use it probably once or twice a month just to get recalibrated. I just think that putting is really based on feel. You know, you could be working on something and it'd be nice to get measured once you're really used to it because it's all about consistency. All right, so now we're gonna go grab some groceries and meal prep for the week. We're gonna have a pretty busy week ahead.
Hello. Hello.
Grocery shopping, part 2. The older you get, the more grocery stops you have to go to because you need certain amount of things. You need a certain type of thing, and they usually don't have that in one store. American Asian section. So if you're in an American Asian section of the grocery store, Sichuan chili crisp. You fry an egg in the morning with a side of rice and put a teaspoon or a tablespoon of this on top of the rice or the egg. Perfect breakfast. Back home, have changed. We're gonna go for a little run. Going for a 2.5 mile run. Let's do this fast. Maybe not too fast. I'm so hungry. Ooh, yeah. All right, guys, that's all for today. See you guys next time.